Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to enable Sign Language View feature in Microsoft Teams on computer. So how to enable Sign Language View feature in Microsoft Teams on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go straight to Microsoft Teams on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Teams. To enable Sign Language View feature, just point the cursor to the upper right corner of the screen. Here there is a three-dot icon. And tap. Here a scrolling menu will appear. Tap the Settings menu. Now here it is in the Settings menu. Go to Accessibility. This is already in the Accessibility menu, and there is a Sign Language View menu. And tap. A feature designed to improve accessibility for deaf or hard of hearing users is sign language interpreters. So that's it, tutorial how to enable Sign Language View feature in Microsoft Teams on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.